enjoyed the ISA TVJ Schoolboy T20 cricket. It was great to see live cricket on TV again. Great to see schoolboy cricket on TV, full stop. And by the way, congrats to Wolmers for defending their title. But you know the Maverick already. Seeing the story behind the story. I watched a lot of the games in the tournament, including the semifinals and the final. And there was a glaring absence of fast bowling potential. We saw some batting potential and some reasonable all-rounders, but it was all lollipop, slow bowling and medium pacers. And this is symptomatic of cricket in Jamaica. Teams contending and indeed winning titles with someone a turn over them arm. No fire, no pace. The once mecca of fast bowling, the West Indies, and at every single level of cricket, lollipops grabbing 5-4 and 6-4. And it's not like these slow bowlers and military medium bowlers are special. They are not. Yes. And this is one of the main reasons why West Indies cricket turned foolishness. We are paying no respect to what made us great. We have replaced fast bowling with false bowling.